Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, students. So we are at lecture number 16, part 1 of the Introduction to Computing course. Today we are going to work with text. Using Adobe XD, we will be adding text to our artboard. So with that, let me jump straight to my Adobe XD uh, IDE, and you can see that we have this artboard. So now how to add text? So you can directly click on this text option and you can click anywhere you want. So I'll add text over here and let me write every page has a language of its own. So there you go. So this is how you add text. You can, like, I haven't selected the select tool, so that is why I cannot move the text. So first click on this select tool and then you can place this text anywhere, so you can see the distance or the margins from top to bottom. So I have like placed this text over here. You can duplicate it. You can copy and paste it. So you can see I have now 3 copy of my text. So this small button or this circular area, when you click and move it, you will see that the size of your text is increasing. So let me click somewhere over here, and if you click it, so you can increase or decrease size of your text. You can change the width and the height from here. You can change the X and Y position. Okay, so this is disabled. The width and height of a text is disabled, so no worry. So you can change, let me make it 45. So you can see that you can change the orientation of your text. Then you can align it to the left, to the center, to the right. You can align it to the top, again to this align middle vertically, align at the bottom. So like, it's up to you how you align your text. Here you can flip it horizontally, so this is how it looks. Let me once again change it. If you click and drag this button, you can also like rotate it, decrease the size. Okay, you can also like flip it vertically. So this really has no effect on the text, so we are going to leave it. And then we have some other options like the text appearance, and then you can like play around with them. And then let me add another appearance. You can change the text size from here, so I'm going to make it 25, make it italic or bold or whatever you want. So here is the character spacing, so let me make it to 10. So you can see that the space between every character has increased. So let me make it 50. Let me increase the size. So now if I make it 0, so you can see this gap between two character is called the character spacing. And then we have line spacing. Currently it is 61. So if I make it 0, so this line spacing is actually, you can see that it is the space between line 1 and line 2. And then we also have this paragraph space. If I put full stop over here and then I can write here sample text, new paragraph starts here. So this paragraph spacing is the space between these two paragraphs. Okay, let me select this tool. Let me decrease its size. I'm going to make it 14. Okay, so this is the paragraph space. So if I make it 45, so you can see that uh, the space has increased. Okay, let me make it 0. Okay, so if I select it and so this is like this is the paragraph space between two paragraphs, and then you can align your text to the left, in the middle, to the right. So as long as the text is inside the box, so like it will have its effect. So line to the middle, line to the right, and this is the auto width of your text, the auto height, and fixed size will, I mean, with this option you cannot change the size of your text. So let me increase it, so you can see that I'm not able to increase its size. Okay, so if I select it once again and make it fixed size, so I cannot change size, otherwise if I deselect it then I am able to increase the size. So this is what it means. And then we have some other options like make every character a capital, change it to lowercase, to title case. If you have for example language of its own. Okay, so let me add some text over here. So you have third position. So by default this third is in uppercase. Okay, let me select the RD. You can like make it to uppercase, to the subscript or superscript. You can like underline it. You can after selection you can underline the whole sentence, or you can use strike through. You can change the opacity of this your text. Then we have the fill color. You can like change the color of your text. I'm going to remove this strike through. So let me increase the size to 50, and okay, so let me bring it to here. So every age has a language of its own, so you can like, if you uncheck it, so that text will disappear. So I'm going to make it red, and the text also has a border. So you can see that if I zoom in, so this is your border. So let me make it 10. So you can see the border has changed. Let me bring it to 3. Okay, it's still very large border. Let me make it 2, and then let me make it 1. So 1 is okay. Once again, let me zoom out. So with that, you also have some other option, like you can go to the web, select any text, so copy it, and you can directly add that text over here. You can paste it, so that text has been added. You can like add text to your shape. So you can select the shape, and then you can bring your text. So you can see that that text is not appearing. This is because of layers. So text is behind that rectangle. So you can move your text on top of this rectangle. For now, you can see that that text is appearing. So increase the size of this text of this rectangle, and increase the size of this text. So here you have your text. So you can like align it to left or right, and make sure that it fits within your rectangle. So let me select this rectangle. Okay, so this is what it is. Working with text is very simple in Adobe XD. The final word that I want to make is that you can group these two elements in one group. So hit Control G. So now group 1 has both this rectangle and this text. So you can open it, and this text is about solar system, and we have a rectangle. Uh, Give meaningful name to your objects or to your shape, because it will help you while designing or working on a large project. So with that, I'll see you in the next class. So till then, take care and allow.